it's your girl, the Real Breed B, and I'm back with another video. If you like affordable fashion, beauty here and there, and real life stay-at-home mom vibes, then this is the spot that you need to be. So click the like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I was on Facebook one day and I came across this ad, and it was called Short Story. If you don't know what that is, Short Story is a styling subscription box. So basically you fill out a little quiz, give them some information about your style, you give them your height information, your weight, all of that information, and what they do is they will have a stylist select some clothes for you, and then they'll send the box out to you. You can try on the clothes, and if you like them, you keep them. If you like some of them and you don't like the other things that they gave you, you can send the things that you're not interested in back to them. So this is my first time trying out anything like this. The shipping was really fast. I can't tell you the exact day that I filled out my information, but I did get my box on this past Saturday. Today is Sunday, so I got it yesterday. And I'm going to show you guys the box. So I already opened the box, but this is the box that my clothes came in. I got 5 pieces of clothing. I got 2 pairs of jeans, a blazer, and 2 tops. I'm going to show you guys all of this and what it looks like on me. But first, I want to show you what came in the box. They gave a really cute, look at that, isn't that cute? It's a tape measure. I think that is so cute. So they give you a tape measure, and then they also give you a bag that you can put the clothes in that you do not want to keep and you want to send back to them. It also has the postage on it too, so that's a good thing. And then this is the form. It shows you this is your stylist, and then this is the items that come in the box, and it has like a little paragraph by each item. So we're gonna get into this, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I got. I'm gonna start with the jeans. For one, let me just say this. As a petite person, it is very hard to find jeans, good jeans that fit, jeans that are not extremely long, jeans that just fit your midsection. So if they're high rise, they don't come too up high up under your breast or anything like that. So it's really hard to find good jeans as a petite person. So anybody who's petite knows the pain that I go through. So these are the Adrian Slim ankle barrel leg jeans, and they are a size 27, which is a size 4 in American sizes. So they're 27 petite, and this is what they look like. I'm also going to insert a clip of me wearing them, but these are the barrel jeans. So they are soft. They're soft and they're stretchy. I'm just going to read just a little bit of what it says on the paper. These barrel leg jeans offer a unique take on the barrel leg style while maintaining a flattering fit. They feature a comfortable mid-rise waist and a roomy barrel leg that tapers to a straight silhouette. They're also nice and stretchy, especially at the waist area, which is good because I just ate a lot earlier. So I'm a little like bloated, but they still fit really nice. And again, like I said, they have some stretch to them, not a lot of stretch, but some stretch to them. I like the color, the wash. I love this color. And this is what they look like. So these are definitely a yes. I did pop the tags off of these, so they cannot go back because I took the tags off. And so these are by The Fine Print. Okay. All right. Next up, I have the, and I'm looking down, by the way, again here. I have the Rhea High Rise Butter Ankle. These are 26 inches, like their inseam is 26 inches. Also, the barrel jeans, their inseam was 26 inches as well. These are by 1822, and they are just regular black jeans, stretchy jeans. They're soft, very, very soft, and they are high rise. They stop at the ankles, which is good because, again, being petite, it's very hard to find jeans that stop at your ankle. I do like how they fit on me. They feel very comfortable. They are also in a size 4. So a lot of my pants were a size 4. My tops are a small petite. So everything is in the small range. And let me read very quickly what it says about the Rhea High Rise Butter Ankle. The best-selling butter jeans and a must-have for every short petite woman's wardrobe. Engineered for perfect fit and ultimate comfort, high-rise skinny 26-inch ankle length with faux front pockets in black. Recommended for women 5'4" and under. Next up, we have the work from home textured knit blazer. The work from home blazer will be your go-to piece as you head in and out of Zoom meetings. It's comfortable and 100% versatile, paired with your favorite black point pant or jeans for instant polish. And I must say that this is a very nice blazer. One thing that I did notice is that it does have pockets. The pockets, you can tell that it has pockets, even though it does come stitched already. All you have to do is just take a seam ripper and rip the seam open, and then you can start putting things in your pocket. But right now it's currently closed. I don't know if you can tell, it's currently closed, but because it does have this, that does mean that there is a pocket there. But if you don't want to use the pocket, that's okay. You can just leave it the way that it is. It is very soft, nice and soft. It has some stretch to it, and I do like the color. I feel like it will go with a lot of things. I feel like you can dress it up or you can dress it down. So this is also something that I am going to keep from them. And again, this is by Petite Principle, and mine is in the size small. Up next, I have the Hadley Soft Dolman Tee. This Hadley Soft Dolman Tee is crafted from soft, lightweight fabric, ensuring maximum comfort and breathability throughout the day. This top is a must-have addition to your wardrobe, offering style and ease in one chic package. And so this is just a basic top. That's all it really is. I don't have too much to say about it. It's nice, it's soft. You can definitely tell that the fabric is breathable. It really is just a chill shirt. You just throw on, dress it up, dress it down, however you want to. I don't know if I want to keep this. So the thing about short story, and this is what I like, they give you 5 days to decide whether or not you want to keep what it is they sent to you. So I think, and they also give you extension too. So if you do want to contact them and ask for extension, you can do so. So I do like that. I have so many just plain basic shirts in my closet. I don't feel like I really need this at all. I feel like it's just going to be taking up more space in my closet. Although I think it is a very nice shirt, it's still kind of like a big question mark, like right there. Like, am I going to be reaching for it all the time is what, you know? And if it's not something that I'm not going to be reaching for, then why would I have it in my closet, right? So although I do think it's nice, I don't know if I'm going to be keeping it, but it's cute. All right, so the last item is the Miriam Puff Sleeve Knit Top. Step into sophistication with the Marion top, featuring a classic crew neckline, gentle puff sleeves, and stretch knit fabric. This top is the perfect casual piece with just the right amount of pizzazz to elevate your outfit. So this is the top, and it's just a plain black top. It has puff sleeves. There's not too much to say about it, honestly. I feel like this is more of a top where you would wear, I don't know, like going out. Like, I'm not gonna wear this sitting around the house, honestly. I'm not gonna wear it on my trips to Walmart, to the grocery store at all. Maybe if, like, you know, like for church, things like that. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I don't work, so it's not like I'm going to be wearing it to the office or sitting on a Zoom call or something like that. It's nice, but this is gonna go back because again, this is one of those tops that it's no point in me keeping, and I don't want it to take up any space in my closet and just be sitting there. But it is a nice top. However, I'm not going to keep it, and so I'm just gonna send it back. I'll probably send both of the tops back. I am going to keep the jeans, the barrel jeans, even though I don't need any more jeans, but I love jeans. So I'm keeping those jeans. So I'm keeping the jeans, the barrel jeans, the black jeans, and the blazer. Overall, I did enjoy my box. Would I get another box? Probably not. I probably would do it like for like my birthday or something like that, like treat myself for my birthday. It's not something that's going to be a monthly thing for me. I do, however, like the fact that the clothes fit properly. They fit well on me. Again, especially going back to jeans. If you're a woman who is petite, you know the struggle and how it is to find jeans that just fit you well, and they're not extremely long, and the pant leg isn't dragging the floor. So I do like that. Again, with the shipping was very, very fast. When it comes to the cost, now I did notice, so when I was doing my profile, like putting everything in there, they asked me about my budget. And I told them, I was like, look, I like things that are under $50 because I'm all for affordability. Now, the jeans they sent me was not under $50. They were in the 60s. So I was like, did y'all look at my profile? Or like what? Like y'all just threw some clothes in there? Or what? All that to say, I would hope that in the future, when and if I do get a new box, that the things that are in there are not over the budget that I had set. So I think that was the only drawback that I had. But I do like short story. It is very, very cute. If you are petite, like myself, anyone that in petite is 5'4" and under, if you are petite, I would say look into trying short story. This is not sponsored at all. I'm using my own money when it comes to this. But if you are interested in looking for clothes that fit you properly as a petite person, definitely look into short story. And yeah, and see if you like it. Yeah, you do have the option to be able to skip or just get the clothes, you know, whenever you feel like you want to get the clothes. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a little inspo for your sleigh, your styling sleigh. If you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, like, comment, share. Come join the gang, you know what I'm saying? I do have another box coming, and that's by Stitch Fix. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they are going to send me, and I will definitely do another video for you guys when it comes to Stitch Fix. But yeah, thank you so much. I enjoyed spending time with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.